Hello all, it's NGO Engineer. Okay, so we are going to continue this new lesson. If it's your first time to be on the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also to leave a comment, to share the video most especially. Okay, so we'll click on beam here. We are going to draw beams here. Okay, we'll click on beams. We'll come, it's on steel beam, so we choose because we are designing a reinforced concrete structure or we are modeling a reinforced concrete structure. We choose RC beam. We define the cross section according to the shape. We can choose any shape that suits us. We'll keep the rectangular shape. Then we'll put the cross section 20 by 40. I did not do the pre-dimensioning since we did not have a plan for this project, but you can check on how to do the pre-dimensioning of a beam. You can check it through the channel. You just scroll, you will see a video on pre-dimensioning of a reinforced concrete beam. Okay, you will see how to get the cross section of your reinforced concrete beam. Once you are done with the cross section, you can change the concrete grade also, depending on your expectation or what you have planned for your concrete mix design. Then you click now. You can also change the name here on label. You can call it beam 20 by 40. Okay, beam 20 by 40. You change the color, for example, if you like. You click add now. Okay, yes. Okay, you can close now. When your beam is already there, you come here, you change it, you choose the cross section that you have just named. This is it, our beam 20 by 40. Then you go on plan. Okay, once you're on plan, you can ensure that beginning is highlighted in green like you are seeing here. Then you draw your beam from one end to another if you like this, for example, or you draw it span after span. Just that you see that the command has end after drawing to from one point to another, from the one end of a span to another. It just ended, and there's a problem why you draw it diagonally like this from one end to another, covering many span like this, because if you are to apply a specific load on this span 3 4 for example, and then you don't want that load to be applied on this other span 4 5 for example, you have difficulty because you have drawn this beam one time like this. Okay, so you will have to maybe come and split the beam span after each, so that you will know the load that you apply here will be different on the load that you would like to apply here. That's why to draw it at the modeling phase, better activate your drag so that the command will not end. You see that you activated the command directly from the last point that ended here, and then you can draw your beam one span after another. Okay, no, we'll press escape, then we'll close. We'll have to delete this. Okay, press delete on the keyboard because we did not draw it well. You see the node is still there, so we select the node tool, we press delete on the keyboard. Then you come back, you click on beam, it's activated, your concession is already there. You click on drag to activate drag, and you continue drawing span after another, each span after another. Okay, it's better this way to avoid that straight to come and split, because when you are applying your load you realize that no, your load is applying everywhere. Okay, so it's better because we do not have a distribution plan or a foundation plan for this project. We'll just be designing as we are going. Okay, so it's a bit word. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Okay, if you like the video, and if you have a problem or a worry, even an encouragement, you can leave a comment just to encourage us. Okay, we'll be very grateful. It will be a pleasure for us because that's your comment that will give us the strength to continue uh, producing this content. It's a free structural class on robot structural analysis. Okay, we'll model the complete structure, we'll define the load, apply the load, and then we'll also design the various reinforced concrete element, beam, footing, column, okay, are there. So apply. This beam annotation cannot be reduced, and this I'm sure some might be asking why is it so looking so dirty. Okay, it's only when you zoom out that you can actually see it better. So we are almost done. Okay, then we'll take it from down. Every time that you want to leave a column, okay, to end the comma, you press escape. Like here, I've escaped. That's why you don't see. Okay, so we are done with the drawing or the modeling of our beams. We can check it in 3D now. See how it looks like. Okay, you maintain your shift and you rotate. Maintain shift, you rotate using, or you can just choose an angle of your view cube. You stand like this. You can see. You can also unactivate, deactivate the cross-section view, and you see it on the form of button. Activate the member number so that you can know the number of each of your element that you have modeled so far. Okay, it's good when you want to use it for selection. So this was all for this class on drawing of the beam. For the next class, we'll continue modeling the structure. After, we'll go to the load definition. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like or even a comment just to encourage us. We'll be very grateful. Okay. So see you soon for our next class. It was NG Engineer. Thank you so much.